Hello students, myself is Kiran Nagpal. I am math mistress in Mata Mondi Oswal Public School. Majority of you think that maths is very boring subject, but today I will prove it wrong. It is not a boring subject. When we do any chapter through an activity, that will make it very interesting. Today I will teach you 5th chapter of class 10th, that is arithmetic progression. Okay, so first, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. For example, this is list of numbers. I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and nth term up to last term. I don't know that is what is infinity. So that is the number of series in which each number is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding. Preceding means pichla. For example, 1, 2. Two succeeding number and 1 is preceding number. 1 is added to 2 to make it 2. So, 1 constant number 1, 2 from 2 to make 3, 1 is again added, 3 to 4, 1 is again added. So, as according to definition, we add a fixed number to get succeeding number, and what we add, that is a constant number. Clear? Through an activity I will prove this. For this activity we need some material, that is glaze paper, scale, pencils, glue and eraser, scissor, etc. Clear? First I do that, I make an exercise. This is x-axis, this is y-axis as you know, and this is 0. Now I will take example of first series. I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I take a glaze paper and cut some strips like this. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter as the number of series are there. Okay, then I paste it on this axis, x-axis. First I paste A1, that is I took 1, then again 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7 and then 8. Clear? You can also use wax colors to do this exercise, to make this exercise. So you see this now clearly. I then pasted all these strips in this. I cut these strips like this and pasting over it as the number of series is there. Now I see difference between 1 and 2 is 1, 2 minus 1, 4 and 3, 1 difference, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 5, 1 and 8 minus 7 is again 1. So when I come from 1 to 2, I add a fixed number 1, 2 to 3, I add again fixed number 1, 3 to 4, I add again fixed number 1 and so on. I add a constant number to get a succeeding number of this series. So this is an AP. When we add a fixed number, then it is called an AP. Now how we will solve it? This is A1. I name these terms A1 1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now when I make, what is common difference? How would we find common difference? That is A2 minus A1. 2 minus 1 and A3 minus A2, 3 minus 2, this is equal. This is also 1, this is equal and so on. A4 minus A3, again it is 1, A5 minus A4, again it is 1 and so on. So common difference is same in this activity. So we can say this is an AP. This is an example of arithmetic progression. Now come to another. Now I write again new series, that is 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. I cut a strip of 3 centimeter, again 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter and again pasted like this, same way as in the first. Now when I take difference, this is 5 minus 3, this is 2 and when I this 6 minus 5, this is 1, 9 minus 7, that is 2. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट द सेम. कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं है. जब कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं होता, देन वी से दैट इट इज नॉट ए AP. ये अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन नहीं है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इसको प्रूव कैसे करेंगे, इफ़ आई डू a1 माइनस a2 इट शुड बी इक्वल टू a3 माइनस a2. a2 is here 5 and a1 is 3, this is difference is 2, and a6 minus 5, this is equal, not equal. When a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2, then we say it is not an AP. Interesting students, this is activity is very interesting. So you can do it by using carry-on, by different method, and you will easily find it very easy in a simple. Okay, now I will take some examples of sums in your exercise. Now if you are said that write first four terms of AP when first term and common difference is given. You are given first term. I tell you that A1 is first term, A2 is second term, A3 is third term. Like this we name this. Here you are given A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. Then how will we solve it? How will make a number of series arithmetic progression? So arithmetic progression we make it. You are given A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. A means first number 10, second number I, as in the definition, the succeeding number is found by adding a fixed number to the preceding one. This is proceeding, fixed number is common difference. I will add 10, so it will become next number is 20. I will again add 10, this is become 30. Again 10, this is become 40, and so on. Because this is plus 10, this is plus 10, this is plus 10. So according to definition, it is a list of numbers which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding one. Understand? We can write so many terms like this. Or you can do another, this is A. How we get it? First A plus 1t. How we get it? A plus 2d. How we get it? A plus 3d, and so on, A plus 4d, A plus 5d. Your A is here 10 and 1 multiply common difference you are given 10. So 10 plus 10 कितना हो गया बेटे? 20. Now A plus 2d, A is 10 plus 2 into 10, again 10 plus 20, this is equal to 30, and so on. Like this you can find many more terms. Now such type of many questions are in exercise. You can practice it. Now next is which is AP. We have to find which is AP. अगर ये AP है, then write next three terms and common difference. You are given examples of first is 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 8 and 16. To find whether it is a AP or not, we will find the common difference, and that is common difference should be fixed throughout. If that is fixed, it means it is an AP. We will take this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now first A2 minus A1, 4 minus 2, then A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4, then here you will get 2 and here you will get 4. So this is not an AP because A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So we say that it is not an AP. Clear? Now next 1.2 देखो बेटे, कॉमन डिफरेंस जो है, हम कॉमन डिफरेंस जो करते हैं A2 माइनस A1, इट शुड बी पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, ये नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है और ज़ीरो भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको कोई सम आए, यू आर गिवन A इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड D इज इक्वल टू 0, AP बनाओ इसकी. तो हम टर्म फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स लिखो. पहली टर्म A, इसमें 0 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा बेटे 10, अगेन 0 ऐड करेंगे 10, तो वी विल get 10 10 10. This is also an AP because common difference is same throughout. तो जो डिफरेंस है दैट शुड बी पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, ज़ीरो भी हो सकता है. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. फर्स्ट टर्म इज हेयर 3 and how will you find common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3, this is equal to minus 2. This is difference is in minus. So it may be positive, it may be 0, it may be negative. Clear? In this way, in next is -5 -1. So you will, first term is -5. Then how will you find D? A2 minus A1. So 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1, you will get -6. So here common difference is -6. Okay, now this is exercise 5.1. You will do practice. In next series I will do 7.2 and 5.2 exercise. Thank you.